We are in the midst of a new wave of industrial revolution. Next-generation 5G technology will be deeply integrated within the manufacturing industry. In order to intelligently upgrade and develop a high-quality manufacturing industry, we need to construct a more advanced industrial internet. Red Hat OpenShift helps Foxconn construct a 5G core and edge computing network architecture, which is applicable to industrial internet. Foxconn's Shenzhen Industrial Park was granted the title of 5G plus Industrial Internet Demonstration Park by the Department of Industry and Information Technology of Guangdong Province, making it the first enterprise in Shenzhen to receive this honor. Stability, efficiency, precision, and intelligence are the key words for this smart factory. The supply and distribution of raw materials for the production line is a precondition for production efficiency. Nowadays, with the help of 5G plus mobile logistics robots, unmanned logistics vehicles automatically shuttle in the park to supplement raw materials in a timely manner, the production lines of each workshop. Intelligent management not only reduces logistics and warehousing costs, but more importantly, greatly improves production efficiency. In science fiction, automated production has always been described as a symbol of the factory of the future. Driven by 5G plus industrial internet, all this has become effortless. The combination of robotic arm and assembly line makes production fully automated. Enabled by high bandwidth, large capacity connections, and low latency of 5G, the production components like equipment, processes, and personnel of the workshop can be transmitted to the industrial internet backend in a more timely manner. With the help of edge computing, artificial intelligence, and other industrial applications of Foxconn, the process and equipment can be automatically adjusted so to make the production more stable. It is because of the extreme stability of Foxconn's industrial internet that very fine and precise processing operations can be realized. 5G core networks are connected to a large number of sensors, which can be managed and controlled, and lights-off production can be processed without worries, elevating the quality of made-in-China products to a higher level. Nowadays, factories have realized data visualization to showcase production and operational status. Through a large screen, people can monitor and report the operational status on the production line. The powerful computing power provided by edge computing supports the collection of the data from the mass sensors of the production line and automatically processes them. It helps achieve refined production. All data is fed to an intelligent monitoring system with automated reports, so that the production status is clear at a glance. This is the advantage of the industrial internet. Stable, efficient, precise, and intelligent production requires the support of massive data and communication technology. The addition of 5G makes the industrial internet even more powerful. Red Hat OpenShift is helping Foxconn's production line to integrate with 5G technology. In the 5G era, with large bandwidth and high concurrency, technology is constantly evolving, and the trend will continue. Only timely upgrades and iterations can enable enterprises to keep up with the present. Container technology modularizes the industrial internet, greatly reducing Foxconn's cost of development, construction, iteration, and updates. Only by improving efficiency can it lead the pace of the future. The hybrid multi-cloud environment provided by OpenShift can not only provide powerful edge computing power support for the industrial internet, but also safely and stably secure automated operations on the production line. OpenShift's strong compatibility builds all innovative applications on the original architecture, like building blocks, perfectly decoupling and quickly meets new business needs. In the 5G era, the development of industry is inseparable from change and disruption. Red Hat and Foxconn jointly create a new cloud blueprint. In the new era of industrial interconnection, open containers shall shape the future.